Hey everybody, and welcome back to my vlog. And I'd like to introduce to you McSteamy. He goes with McDreamy, of course. So this is the new Brother Scan N Cut DX255 Innovis edition. And it's going to be fantastic. So it's brand new. The dealer, my brother dealer in London, just got it in yesterday, so it is literally brand new here in Canada, and it works really nicely with McDreamy, which is, if you don't know already, my brother Dream Machine 2, and I thought this would be a cool adventure, and there's lots of stuff we can do with it, so I thought we should do an unboxing. Now, the camera angle is a little bit wonky, but I'm doing this myself. I actually really need a camera person. Where's my cameraman? So we're just going to try to do this the best we can, but so far it looks good. It's kind of heavy. It is a stand-alone machine. I didn't realize that. Oh, first thing, before I say anything else, when you are buying these machines, okay, so Scan N Cut 2, the 350 edition, does not read PES files. Okay, so what? Okay, that means if you're trying to send an applique from your machine to the 350, it's not going to work. They're not very clear on the Brother videos. I found that out the hard way, and I couldn't figure it out because I watched the videos and the machine looked the same as what I had. They didn't specify anything. The 350 or the 100 doesn't work. You basically have to spend $700 for the top of the line machine if you want to transfer your appliques to here. So lesson learned, you guys, now I've said it, everybody will know. I was kind of miffed yesterday about it. All right, let's get back to this. So, see how it opens. It should be taped. It should have a lot of goodies with it, so it should be really good. So again, this is the SDX255, brand new out, and it should be pretty cool. It's a little awkward. All right, I'm gonna put this on the ground, and then I'll put stuff up for you guys. You can see it down there. So the first thing in here in the box is this, and it is, oh, all your documentation, all of your information, and nothing else. So, okay, that's one. Let's do another one. I'm gonna guess this is the plugins for it. Oh, just one plugin. Okay, that seemed like a lot for just one plugin, but okay, so that's two things. I think the machine. Oh, we have another big package here. Look at this. The mats are massive. That's huge. And I guess you get a couple of them. Yep, there's a couple of them. That's awesome. Okay, so we've got mats. Now we're ready for the machine. Okay, there it is from the top view. I'm going to move the box out of the way. And then I guess this is the fabric application, the iron-on backing. So let's turn McSteamy around so we can see. So it's quite big. It's bigger than my Cricut. Not that that means anything, but it is bigger. There are lots of storage, I've heard, and I've seen other unboxing. I'm just going to move my stuff here so I have a little more room for this guy. Everything's all over the place. So in here is our storage stuff, I'm sure. There we go. And should be our blades. These are our goodies in a crappy white container. Yeah, little silly scraper. And these are the blades. So that's a regular blade, and that is the fabric one. So cool. Love the storage though. Love the storage. And here's a whole bunch of, oh, they're markers. Okay, they're so tiny. What the heck? That's kind of funny, isn't it? They're so tiny, and I'm pretty sure with this edition that there are, yep, they're right there, fabric markers. So, okay, we will snoop at those later once we get going. So, always remember, take off your tape for everything because they pack them a certain way so nothing gets hurt or broken or bent. Dawn actually went and picked this up for me, so I'm sure it's in good shape. Put that over there. You kind of have a overview. How about I tip it up so you can see? It's actually heavier than I think. I don't know if I'm going to have enough room here. Nice screen. Nice screen. So there's a lot of things, I guess, to learn here with this machine. The color is a nice pale blue. Hopefully you guys can see it. And I know the screen is supposed to be really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this guy plugged in. And work with a little bit. And then I will get on McDreamy. So I'm going to put McSteamy right beside McDreamy in my office. You can see them both there. So I'll be able to transfer from one to the other, or I might do the cloud service, but I'm going to go dig into that. Thanks for watching my unboxing. I think we're going to have a lot of fun with this cutter, and we're going to do a lot of things with the dream team here, McSteamy and McDreamy. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys are looking forward to what's coming up soon with these cutters and my new Gunnel discovery. The video was released on Friday, so you can check that out. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!